Let's peel some of this off and see what's underneath. Curious to see if there's a name right here. Let's check it out. Well, it does look like there's some letters were here. Looks like the end of a brushed letter, and then you can see where they just sanded the daylights out of it right here. So it probably said something from about right here to there. I don't know what it was. I was hoping to get like a city or some, whatever, something. But it would be cool. I don't think we're going to get it. I'll try the other side later. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Let's see how it cleans up. What do you say, guys? I'll let you guys watch all the paint and crap fly off of this thing. We did one door. Started to do it yesterday and ran out of gas. Let's see how it goes. Well, we tried. It doesn't look really any better. But we did get the doors open. If you see the torch, we torched. If you ever have stuff that's like that, you just, it's great to have either a good propane torch or the oxyacetylene is so much faster. And then just heat the hinges up. And now they work. So now you can see inside. Kinda they work. Yeah. Interesting stuff in here we found. A German Spa Barisat. Whatever. Or it's from Belgium, I guess. I don't know. Somebody comment if you know what that is. Remember, we got the controls. I think this thing I'm going to have to... Wow. Are those? Oh wow, they are rubber coated buttons. That's going to be far hard to replicate. I think I just take this to a place and have them scan it, and then I'll make one with what's it called? Have them 3D print it. That's the only way I'm going to get that thing. So look at this. Let's look how it looks from far away here.
Wet.
Just looks wet. I guess you can kind of see through the glass now. Not really. Yeah. You can really see the magnitude of the rust. It is bad.
No, not magnitude of rust. Magnitude of
yeah, then there's nothing left. The power washer took everything off. Now it's all, there's nothing left. Now we can actually look at the mileage. Here, let's look. What does it say?
I think.
Oh yeah, 57.
57.
So what it says, guys? 57,000 kilometers. So that's only like what? 30,000 miles. And it's got let's see. There we go. It shuts. You just got to lift it up a lot. Oh boy. And here, somebody left some Bondo for you. There's a little bit of Bondo in it. Yeah, just a couple tads here and there. Little fiberglass. Yeah. So, but if you look, we looked at the engine, and it has an X on it, doesn't it? An X?
That's rebuilt.
So that's a factory rebuilt at some point. Look how high it is, though. That's scaring me.
I think the bus is just sagging around the motor.
Yeah, I think the rest of it's sagging around the motor.
I think he's holding it up as his pipe.
See how, if you see how high that tin is, that's telling me something's, I don't know. There's so much weight on here with this machine. It's just sucking the rest of the rusty parts down. Yep, it's bad. But anyway, we'll be checking out to see if this thing runs here at some point. Not too long from now. We'll do that. But we're not going to start the restoration process. And no, this is not from that hole. That's from inside there. That's the firewall cover for the... Oh, there's a oil tank in there, see. There's a lot of stuff that's in this truck. If I was to get another one and try and make it into one of these, it would be kind of hard to do. And these are available, I found, for 60 bucks for a skin. They don't come with this. So, but that could be easily made. I've made those before. But not for a single cab. Yeah, this thing is bad. Look at that. Let's go. Look at that. Okay. All right. We got rid of the wood. And now you can see the ground. Flintstones. Meet the Flintstones.
The wood was holding it together.
That's it, man. Ready to yabba dabba doo.
Like, this is disgusting.
Yeah. Oh no, the boss just came. Wow. It's bad. Okay. Well, anyway. What do I say from here? It's bad, so anyway, I thought you guys might want to take a look after the wash. I'll talk to you on the next one.